Residents in the San Francisco Bay Area are about to see something pretty futuristic become part of everyday life. Alphabet has announced that its drone delivery company, Wing, is expanding its service starting March 24, 2026, bringing airborne deliveries straight to people's homes. This has been in the works for a while, with earlier tests happening on Google's campus in Mountain View, where employees were already getting office supplies flown right to them. Naturally, that got people asking when the same convenience would reach their homes, and now it finally is. Using the Wing app, you'll be able to order groceries, household items, and even meals. Walmart orders can show up in about 10 minutes, while food from places like Wendy's or Panera will arrive shortly after through Wing's partnership with DoorDash. There is a small limitation, though. Packages need to stay under 5 pounds to keep flights smooth and safe. The way it works is surprisingly simple. Drones launch from small local hubs, sometimes set up in places like sections of Walmart parking lots that double as charging and loading stations. Once airborne, they travel in a straight line to your home, avoiding all the usual traffic delays on the ground. When the drone arrives, it doesn't land. Instead, it lowers your package gently using a tether, placing it exactly where you want it, even if you're not home. This isn't Wing's first time doing residential deliveries. The company has already completed around 750,000 deliveries across cities like Dallas, Atlanta, Houston, and Charlotte, reaching nearly 2 million customers. Expanding into the Bay Area is just the next step in scaling things up. They're also experimenting with a clever hybrid system alongside Serve Robotics. In this setup, small ground robots pick up food orders from restaurants and bring them to a drone, which then handles the final leg of the journey. It's a smart way to deal with busy city environments where traffic and parking can slow things down. All of this points to a future where getting what you need could be faster and more efficient than ever, with drones becoming a normal part of daily life, rather than something you only see in tests or demos.